Guess what? I finished the mill, finally. It took some time, but it's over or nearly done. Okay, so I can say it's restored again to its previous glory. It's running just fine. So here we switch it on. This is for the main spindle. Here you can see the gears, 1B. So if we look at B1, it's 480 revolutions per minute. This is for the x-axis, so actually now it's in neutral, and I can try and put it in the gear. This is, I think, the fastest. And the other direction, it's running really smooth. And here in the back, these are limiters and they automatically stop. I'll probably make something adjustable for these switches, so I can limit if I want to stop it where I want. Let's put it back in the middle. Yeah, I'm really satisfied how it runs. And also I put here an LED light, which is extremely bright. I also put this for the coolant, but as I mentioned, I probably will never use this, so maybe I remove this and put something else here. But I just want it for now to look like it was original. Okay, and I even made a new key for this because the old one was broken inside, and I broke the new key also, as you can see. So lesson learned: don't put your key, don't leave your key inside, because you will break it with your leg. Here's a drawer. Got some drills that I got with the lathe. Most of this is unusable. I got a new drill chuck from 1 to 16 millimeters. The drill has the mill has an MT2 taper, and this is M10 thread for the pull bar. Okay, I got a new ER32 collet, and also different sizes of collets that go inside. Sorry, this is collet holder, and collets that go inside. Wrench for this. This is an old drill chuck that I got with the lathe, with the mill, and some old tools. Yeah, I put shrink wrap around this to have a better grip. Okay, so some of the one of the neat features is okay, if I move this a little bit, okay, now I engage this. Now I can have a pretty precise and slow feed with this hand wheel. It runs really smooth. And I can disengage it. Now we have a regular feed. It's only, the travel of this is only around 45 millimeters. So not big, but it should be fine for most of the jobs. And of course you can always play with the height of this whole head. There is a brake here. Now you can move freely this up and down, and now you lock it in place. New oil inside, so everything runs smooth. And yeah, I also made this simple guard, chip guard for the main post. This is also polished, so it stays protected. Yeah, if you want to run the coolant pump, you actually need to engage spindle, and then you can hear the pump inside. I will avoid to run it dry. And we can also try here to put it in the high speed, so this is B4. So you pull this out and you lock it in place, and this should be that. So this is the fastest speed. New chuck, 150 millimeters. Also got set of these mill clamps, this for M10 screws and threaded rods. One thing, this whole plate was pretty dinged up. That's how I bought it, and I got it ground on a surface grinder, so it's nice and smooth and shiny. In original there actually is some kind of plate here, and I managed to find a picture of this plate, but also it's missing some of the numbers from this, and I will try to recreate this and have it done. It's just a small aluminum plate and shows the speed, or actually the feed. I managed to restore also this. It was also pretty in bad shape. I also got original look-alike aluminum rivets, solid rivets, and riveted this inside how it is, and also glued on the whole surface. Yeah, so it's ready to rock and roll. It's quite cramped here now because I am doing wiring on this subject. Got the parts laying all around. Okay, that's all, and see you later.